Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To troubleshoot a Ninja coffee maker, first, check that it's plugged in and the power button is on. Ensure the water reservoir is filled and properly seated. If coffee isn't brewing, clean the machine's filter and spout. For error messages, consult the manual for specific issues. Descale the coffee maker regularly to prevent mineral buildup. These steps can resolve common issues and maintain proper function.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.